Any competitive exam are not just a taste of knowledge. It's a taste of mindset, resilience and focus. And that is why I created this unique series that is subject plus mindset. Because it's not enough to learn polity, history, economy or any subject. You must also master memory, focus, confidence and calmness. The inner tools that make all the difference in exam hall. Be honest with me. Do you struggle to remember dates and events in history? You read about 1857 today and by tomorrow it's gone. You make the notes on Congress session but in exam hall, blank mind. What if I told you history doesn't need mugging? With the right brain technique and ancient memory secrets, you can retain dates effortlessly. And today I will show you how. Let's break it down. First, UPSC doesn't want all the date. It wants key turning points. For example, Revolt of 1857, Formation of Indian National Congress on 1885, and Non-Cooperation Movement on 1920, Civil Disobedience Movement, Quit India Movement. Second, instead of rote learning, link event to themes like national movements and reforms and personalities. Third, remember this. It's not about cramming dates, it's about connecting them into the story of freedom. Now the brain science. Our hippocampus, the memory center, loves associations and locations. That is why you remember where your school is, but forget random numbers. So use the memory palace technique. You can use it in any subject. Imagine your house. At the entrance, place 1857 soldiers revolting. In the living room, place 1885 leaders forming Congress. In the kitchen, see 1920 Gandhiji launching non-cooperation. Every room, an event. This way, your brain uses special memory, making dates stick like a glue. Our ancestors mastered this long before neuroscience gave it a name. Think of Vedic chanting traditions. Students remembered thousands of verses word by word by creating rhythmic pattern and mental imagery. In fact, the Panchatantra itself was created to make a memory easy, teaching morals through stories and not dry facts. If they could remember volumes of scriptures without paper, you can definitely remember 10 to 15 key events with ease. Now close your eyes for a moment. Visualize walking through your home. At door, soldiers of 1857 salutes you. In the living room, Congress leaders are sitting around a table. In kitchen, Gandhiji is spinning the charkha in 1920. Upstairs, you hear the Quit India slogan of 1942. See how history turns into a living movie. This is how you will never forget again. Now here is your 5-day history challenge. Day 1. Create a memory palace with 5 key events. Day 2. Add 5 more events to it. And from day 3rd to 5, walk through your palace daily, visualizing the events. And in 5 days, you will able to recall at least 10 events with dates without mugging. And if this video sparked a new hope in your history preparation, hit subscribe and share it with a fellow aspirant who keep forgetting dates. And if you want my full brain performance plus subject blueprint, join me with one-to-one session, because competitive exams are not just about mugging facts. It's about building a memory system that lasts. And when memory meets mindset, history becomes unforgettable. Thank you.